Hey guys, it's Arlen and I am back. It has been a few weeks. I don't even know how many weeks it's been, but I want to show you my garden updates. Remember my empty beds? Check this out. Baby beds, baby beds. Now look, we got, oh my god, everything from tomatoes, basil, marigolds, and then we got these huge squash plants. Look at or actually they're zucchini. One of my squash turned out to be zucchini, so that was kind of a disappointment, but I'll have lots of zucchinis this year. But look at them, look how hardy, beautiful, organic my garden is. Over here, we got lots of peppers, and we're producing peppers now. That butternut that I had is, or not butternut, it's a winter squash, but over here, and it's all producing. We got little babies, cantaloupe, we got watermelon. I got watermelon over here. Let me show you some zucchini. So here we go. You can see in there we got eggplant, beautiful. I get so excited. These are my babies. I come out here every day, morning, evening, and it's amazing to me. This is the best garden I've had in quite some time. The energy is just super charged. I don't know what it is. It's like it's just ignited over here. I don't know. Maybe we did some qigong out here one day. Maybe that was it. I don't know. Okay, and right here I did my little trellis. Remember the baby cucumbers? Now we got teenage cucumbers. Yeah, so I did my little trellis. All I did was just get these little wire things I picked up at the tractor store, and used a little like jute line. So super simple, super easy. I got some hay here at the tractor store as well, and that just kind of keeps me like mulched out, where you can see where I get mulch, just to kind of keep it moist in there. It gets really warm, really hot. And now my heirloom tomato plants. These are the most beautiful tomato plants I think I've probably ever had. We'll start here. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. All down the line. Just beautiful, thick, gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. And they're heirloom, so that's exciting. We got, there's some are like little cherry tomatoes, and some are gonna be the big, hardy, amazing tomato sandwich kind of tomatoes. And then we got some cool little morning glories over here, which I'm gonna grow up the fence line. Some stuff we we picked wildly, and we're gonna transplant. So I got some new things. I'm gonna maybe make a little watermelon patch over here in this corner over here, and then plant some banana trees. I got some banana trees in the front yard that have not been utilized. So I'm gonna actually practice my transplanting method and see if we can plug them in back here. But I don't know. So guys, this is my garden, and I hope your garden is growing as abundant and as fruitful as mine is. Look at that. I mean, I'm just amazed. I just stare at it every day. It's just, man, life is it's pretty amazing, and it's beautiful to watch grow. I don't know. It's very mesmerizing, to say the least, and healthy, and it honestly keeps me going. So there's my update, and I will be updating again soon when I have some other stuff going on. And if you guys have any questions, gardening tips or anything, I can help you out with that. Hydrogen peroxide, key element. I found that's really one of the main things I use with my plants. So, and there's no disease. They're doing absolutely phenomenal. Just super healthy, green, thick, rich plants, and makes me feel good. But anyway, before I leave, I just want to give a little message. You know, I don't know, I've been feeling a little heavy energy lately just with myself, and some things going on in my life, and I just want to encourage you guys as we go through this time. We're in a bunch of retrogrades, and besides that, just everything going on, you know, to really just focus on, you know, not just loving ourselves, but loving our relationships and our close friends and our close family that's serving as that soul family, that's serving as that healthy element to life. I'm not talking about the toxic relationships. I'm talking about the ones that bring life to you, and the ones that serve you well, even if it makes you uncomfortable sometimes. To just really to love those people, and to learn from your reflection, and just support each other. You know, and if you need to let go of something, let go of something. But if you can move through things, then do that. It's called growth, and it's called health and wellness. And you know, we're moving in a time where we're letting go of those codependent natures, codependent and narcissism, those old templates. In order to move past them, we have to be able to look at the shadows of self, and still keep going. It's still love. The funny thing is when you come into the heart space, you love just that much more. You know, you really learn what true love is, and how to implicate it, and to be intimate, and to love people, and to give, and to receive, and all that. And anyway, so I've been going through my own things, and so, you know, and just seeing what's going on in the world and everything, I don't know, felt like a message I needed to give. So I love you guys, and good luck in your garden space. And I will show you when I have my first harvest. I will definitely maybe take some footage of that. Okay, love you guys.